Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have seen cast function, which is a function used in select statement. Numeric function is the topic. In this topic, we will see the list of numeric functions available in ANSI SQL. The list of official ANSI SQL numeric functions are very small, and different platforms or different vendors such as Oracle, DB2, IBM and SQL Server from Microsoft, they provide supplementary mathematical and statistical functions. MySQL database server directly supports many of these numeric functions. The other database platforms offer the same capabilities of numeric scalar functions through their own internally defined functions. They do not share the same name as those declared by the ANSI SQL standard. So numeric functions, list of numeric functions. ABS, apps, is a function name and it returns the absolute value of a number. Mod returns the remainder of one number divided by another number. Bit length, it returns an integer value representing the number of bits in another value. Ceil or ceiling, this function rounds a non-integer value upwards to the next greatest integer. Char length, this function returns an integer value representing the number of characters in a string expression. EXP is the name of the function. It raises a value to the power of the mathematical constant known as small e. Extract, this function allows the date part to be extracted from a temporal expression. Floor, this function rounds a non-integer value downwards to the next least integer. Non-integer means it could be a real number. It returns an integer value unchanged. ln is a function returns the natural logarithmic of a number. Octet length, this function returns an integer value representing the number of octets in another value. This value is same as bit length by /8. Position, returns an integer value representing the starting position of a string within the set string. Power, raises a number to a specified power. Square root, SQRT is a function. It computes the square root of a number. ln returns the natural logarithm of a number. Width bucket deposits a value into the appropriate bucket from a set of buckets covering a given range. These are all available numeric functions in ANSI SQL. In the next module, we'll see one by one with examples. Thank you.